Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto Prodigy once again, your favorite YouTube channel, the right place where you can find all relevant and fresh information about your favorite cryptocurrencies and tokens as well. So, in today's video guys, we are going to talk about AMP. Yeah, that token has been really interesting, especially today, right now. So make sure to stay until the end of the video to find all relevant information about it. So we are going to talk about its price. It is 0.6 cents and 8.75 after that, about 30% increase. So we are going to talk about price predictions in this video, but first let's cover some news guys. So there have been a few listing news in the past couple of days. It has been, well, open and trading on Bittrex. After that it hit the Voyager app, and now today is the most important news about Binance. Binance will list AMP token and of course play that besides it. So if you go back to the chart, that is the main reason for that spike here, those Binance news. So this is an official announcement on their website. They released AMP, and basically that happened today. So people on Reddit were really, I don't know, confused, surprised. They were like, what just happened? Literally jumped on here to find out the same. So yes, that Binance listing can have a huge upward potential for it. Now let's go to some overview. So what is AMP? You can see AMP is a universal collateral token designed to facilitate fast and efficient transfers for any real-world applications. You can go to their official website, to docs. You can check their white paper as well. There is a PDF to download down below. So we have article regarding Guardians of the Network, taking AMP to Flexa network. So AMP and Flexa network have been connected and dependent on each other. So as you can see, stakers provide collateral essential to Flex network to process merchant transactions. As a token holder, you can and should put your AMP to work this way. You help to collateralize payments on the network and get rewards for doing it. So staking is the next thing which holders have been doing so. So we are going to talk about the price and the potential movements really soon, but let's focus here. Is AMP token a good investment? So when you check here, you can see that why AMP tokens are unique. So they are unique because they provide stability and security to crypto world. They operate as their own smart contracts. Investors can use AMP as collateral for other cryptocurrency transactions like its parent cryptocurrency Ethereum. So if you check the next article, why AMP and its lightning fast transaction time should be on your crypto watch list, I selected this part. So this is a short explanation because of there are so many gas fees which can be quite significant. The same thing goes for transferring via Bitcoin and the speed as well. So how long it takes to get a transaction. But AMP has stepped in to solve this issue, and this problem does this by requiring collateral from those parties initiating the transfer. Essentially, based on that, a smart contract will execute given enough collateral. If for some reason the transaction fails, the merchant will be rewarded or compensated in AMP tokens. So basically, they are there for the security of all crypto transactions. So they are basically pioneering in this regard. So let's go back to the graph. As you can see here, so basically it spiked from basically 0.53 to 0.66. After that we had slight spikes and dips, rebounds and dips again and against rebounds. So if you look at the weekly chart, basically it was keeping stable until this kind of a Binance launch basically news. If you look at the monthly chart, now this looks more interesting. This was the right place to buy, but guys, make sure that volume has been increasing whooping 1021%. They have gained even more than 30% compared to Bitcoin and yes, Ethereum. So be ready guys here for holders. This is awesome news for potential investors as well. Tell me what you think about it in the comments guys, and invest wisely.